Rabb. From the first page of the Quran to the last page of the Quran, you will be hard pressed to find a page that does not mention the name Rabb. Many people don't associate it as a name of Allah. We are used to thinking Ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, etc. But Rabb comes in the very first surah of the Quran. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Straight after Allah's name, Rabbil Alamin. What is Rabb? Rabb is usually translated in English as Lord or Master. These are the two translations given to the word Rabb. And we always start with the translation, because the translation is always a very sorry attempt, a very sad attempt at understanding the true meaning of this word. So let us go and investigate. And before we do, we can tell a small joke about translation. We know that translation can never capture the meanings of a word. Never. The true meaning of a word can never be captured by translation. And so there's a famous saying that there was a poem in Urdu. I don't know how many of those of you who speak Urdu. There is a poem in Urdu that described the falling of a kingdom. There was a big king, he had a big kingdom. And then this whole kingdom destroyed. And so a poet wrote, "Aise aise kaise kaise ho gaye. Aise waise kaise kaise ho gaye." Now if you know Urdu, this is like a very beautiful rhyming couplet. So this poet, he gave it to someone to translate it to English. So the person wrote, "This, that, how become. How, this, that become." This is just a funny example that translation is very difficult. You cannot translate truly. Then there is no such thing as translation. It's a try. You try to interpret the word. So let us dig deep into this name, Rabb. The word Rabb comes from the root in the Arabic language, Rabbaha yarabbuhu. And it means Rabbahu wasasahu. Rabba yurabbi tarbiyatan. You might have heard this word, tarbiyah, before. To look after something, to grow it until it reaches full maturity. To plant a seed and to keep watering it and giving it everything it needs until it's a full plant, it's a tree. To give birth to a child and to look after all of its needs until it's an adult and then to let it go. This is Rabbaha. To look after the needs, to cultivate, to nurture, to take care of something until it reaches complete independence. It reaches maturity, adulthood, completeness. This is the first meaning of the word Rabb. The one who looks after every need and every aspect of our life until we reach maturity. Well, until we return to Him, because He's always looking after us. This is the first meaning of the word Rabb.